In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site on Wix. Whether you're taking a break, no longer need your website to be live, or just want to make some significant changes without having your visitors see the construction process, knowing how to unpublish your Wix site can be incredibly useful. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Wix home dashboard. To get there, open your web browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, just fill in your login credentials to gain access to your Wix dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your control center for all website related activities, so you'll be visiting it frequently. Now that you're in the dashboard, your next move is to find and click on the settings option. This is typically located in the sidebar of your dashboard interface. Clicking on settings will lead you to a new page that houses all the customization features and options that Wix provides for managing your site. Once you're on the settings page, you need to look for an option called website settings. It's quite likely placed neatly amongst the available options, and simply clicking on it will take you one step further toward unpublishing your site. By diving into the website settings, you're essentially opening the door to adjust any crucial website details, including visibility on the web. After you have entered the website settings, direct your attention to the unpublished link. It's somewhere towards the bottom and is perhaps one of the more unobtrusive options, but it's the key to making your site temporarily invisible to the public. When you click the unpublish button, a confirmation message might pop up just to double check that you truly want to take your site offline. This step ensures that you're intentional about unpublishing and not accidentally clicking things around. Finally, confirm your choice to unpublish. Once unpublishing is complete, your site will no longer be visible on the internet. Your work, however, remains secure and editable within your Wix account. This way you can make any necessary changes, updates, or simply take a break without losing your content or site design. Remember, the option to republish is as simple as reversing these steps. Just go back into your website settings and you'll find the option to bring your website back to life whenever you're ready. Regardless of why you chose to unpublish your site, knowing how to do it ensures you have control over when and how your content is seen by the world. Thank you for watching, and I'll hope to see you in the next video.